Giant red ramen.
Oh my god, that ramen is so red. Must be very spicy.
Giant yellow ramen.
Maggie! That's from India, by the way. Maggie.
Giant green ramen.
That's not just green, that's like colorful. Wow, I'd love to eat that.
Giant blue ramen.
Oh, I don't like this color.
Giant purple ramen.
Oh my
Purple
God.
hot sauce.
Purple hot sauce? Never heard of that. I've seen only red. And I'm not sure about that color noodles. But
No reaction.
Yep.